Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Facebook customer service. Let's get started. First of all, you need to open up your Facebook app. From here, you need to tap on Menu on the bottom right corner. And after that, tap on See Your Profile on the top. From here, we will shake our phone in order to access Report a Problem. So once you shake your phone, you will get this option. As you can see on the bottom, we have the option to shake phone to report a problem is enabled. From here, you need to tap on Report a Problem. And after that, tap on Include in Report. Here, you need to type in and describe your issue in the box. So to show you guys, I'll tap on the box and describe I can't unpin song from my profile. Please help me. And after that, you can also tap on Take Screenshot in order to add more pictures. And once you're done, all you need to do is tap on Send on the top right corner. And after that, Facebook customer service will contact you back in order to help you figure this out. So that is how you contact Facebook customer service. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.